Alright guys, today we're going to take a YouTube video and upload it or embed it into Canvas. So the first thing you need to do is add your video to a YouTube link. So make sure you're on your video, you're on your channel. You're going to go up to Create and hit Create, Upload Video. Click Select a File, or you can click and drag it, your choice. Find the file in which you want to upload. Okay, and then it will upload. Okay, so as soon as it's done uploading, you're going to go down to the bottom. And yes, this is appropriate for children. I hope so, since we're putting it on our canvas. You're going to hit Next, and then Next, and then make sure you click Unlisted. That means that only the people that have this link can view it. They can't go on YouTube and just search and find your video. So make sure you hit that and then hit Save. All right, and then wait for it to go through the processing. Or you can click Close and it'll continue to process it on your page. Okay, so once your video has processed, you're going to open up your YouTube video. You're going to go down here to Share, click Embed. Click anywhere in it, hit Copy, or you can right mouse button if you want, Copy. Once the link is copied, you'll go over to your Canvas, find the module that you want it put into. So that was Tuesday's calendar. So I'm going to go to Tuesday. I'm going to click Edit. And then I'm going to go to where I would like that to be embedded into. So I'm going to put it's calendar time, and then you are going to, once you have what you want, return, and you're going to go up here to the snowman, click the one that has the play button and the music. We got it to upload it, so I'm going to click on Upload It. And you see up here it says Embed. And then I'm just going to paste that embed code right there and hit Submit. And now that video is embedded into your Canvas. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.